The key feature of the Nokia 9 PureView is its 6-module camera, 5 lenses plus flight time, co-designed with Zeiss and Light, that promises to provide photo quality never before seen on smartphones. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 845 from Qualcomm, comes with the large POLED display and has a striking design. When it comes to smartphones, the Nokia brand is recognized for two key qualities: high-clarity screens and advanced imaging capabilities. The Nokia 9 is the first phone in the world to use a camera with 6 sensors/modules, two 12MP RGB sensors with Zeiss optics, three 12MP monochrome sensors with Zeiss lenses, and a 2 flight time depth sensor. The camera is controlled by a small 14mm 2 ASIC developed by a company called Light that specializes in imaging solutions that use arrays of 6, 12 or 18 cameras. The Light ASIC independently controls all the modules of the camera to focus them, adjust the exposure levels by opening, calculate the white balance. Once the cameras capture their images, the ASIC merges them into a single raw image as expressed by Nokia HDR image containing color information and lighting/shadows. Then, the chip transfers the raw data using two MIPI transmitters to a host for further processing.